Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Mast Tour Pro is probably one of the most versatile and innovative tattoo pens on the market, offering professional-grade precision and control for both experienced artists and beginners alike. This in-depth review will explore its key features, benefits, and overall performance, helping you decide if it's the right tool to elevate your tattooing game. Number 5. Mast Tour Cordless Tattoo Pen. This innovative tattoo pen, launched in 2019, is designed for ease of use and portability. Its compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for travel and on-the-go artistry. It features a high-performance motor that ensures smooth and consistent operation. This makes it ideal for various tattooing styles, from fine lines to bold shading. The unique mechanism delivers a precise and gentle application, reducing trauma to the skin. It can be used cordless or with a traditional power supply. Weighing only 82 g, it offers cordless freedom with adjustable needle depth and a 3.5 mm stroke length. Experience smooth, quiet operation for optimal healing. Rigorously tested and trusted by millions of customers worldwide, it's a stylish and high-quality tool. It makes a perfect gift for any occasion, or a well-deserved treat for yourself. Your purchase includes the tattoo pen, a cordless battery, a charging cord, and a beautiful gift box. Everything you need to start creating beautiful art. What we like. It's lightweight and easy to carry around, perfect for on-the-go artists. Its precision motor ensures clean lines and smooth shading. If you value portability in a quiet operation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I have owned and used many different types and brands of tattoo machines over the years. I really like this one for a couple of reasons. First, this machine is unbelievably quiet. Second, it's literally open the box and start laying ink. It's easy to set your depth and speed. I have had zero problems with this machine. I've been tattooing with this machine, in different colors, for years now, and I had to leave a review to say I love it. Adjustable stroke length, super lightweight, and small. I line and shade with this guy, usually around 6 to 7 V. I've had red and a few black machines and love that the batteries are compatible. I've owned and used Bishop wands and I ended up selling them and just using this Mast machine, not a gun, for my daily driver. Fast shipping machine is great, quiet, sturdy and uses inversely cartridges which is fantastic. Number 4. Mast Tour Tattoo Pen Kit. This complete kit has everything you need to create stunning tattoos. It's lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for precise work. Weighing only 88 g and measuring 97 mm in length, it provides superior control and comfort during extended use. Its small size makes it ideal for intricate work. It features an upgraded Mcore C-series motor for smooth lines, shading, and color packing. This ensures high-quality results with less trauma to the skin. Two 1200 mAh batteries provide up to 6 hours of continuous use each. You can work for hours without worrying about running out of power. The kit includes the pen, 2 batteries, 20 tattoo needles, black ink, and all the necessary accessories. Everything you need to get started is right here. It's compatible with all standard cartridge needles, giving you the versatility to use your preferred brands and needle types. What we like. This kit comes with 2 long-lasting batteries, so you can work for extended periods without interruption. It includes everything you need to get started, saving you time and money. If you need a reliable and comprehensive kit, this is the one for you. What people say. This one came with 2 chargeable bottom pieces, now when one dies I can replace it and finish my work. Then 2 differently needles came in the box, a good amount of shading needles and doubled ones this time. Has made me so much money. I've had this for a couple months now and it has been the best machine I have purchased thus far. Enough power for shading and color packing. Number 3. Mast Tour Tattoo Pen Kit. It's lightweight and has a 25 mm grip, perfect for on-the-go artists. Its popularity on Instagram and TikTok speaks for itself, especially among women artists specializing in permanent makeup and beauty skin art. This kit provides all the needle groupings and sizes you'll need, whether you're lining or shading. The clear bodies make cleaning between color changes a breeze. It's designed for efficient, high-quality tattooing. It's built to last and simplify your workflow. These organic, natural pigments are easily absorbed by the skin and won't fade. They're certified safe by EU REACH standards for your peace of mind. The upgraded Mcore C series motor sets it apart. It's ideal for precise line work, shading, and solid color packing, allowing for faster, higher quality work with less trauma to the skin. Its special mechanism ensures a smooth, precise application with just the right amount of softness. It's the perfect tool for any tattoo artist. What we like. It comes with professional-grade cartridges and a high-quality power supply for a superior tattoo experience. The inks are certified safe, giving you peace of mind. If you are a professional artist who demands quality, this kit is for you. What people say. Easy to hold, machine was not too wide for your hand. I also appreciate the dial for changing speed was easy to use and place anywhere. The machine itself and the cartridges it comes with are awesome. This is a new power bank with a magnet and I hope this one lasts better. I use machine for lip tattoo and honestly this is better than my more expensive machines. I can see the pixels of pigment and it's smooth. The hit is soft so it's great for permanent makeup. This is so much lighter and easier to use than what I received in my kit for PMU class. It really made all the difference in my work. Love the adjustable speeds, the size, and it being so lightweight. Number 2. Mast Tour Tattoo Pen Kit. Get ready to explore this comprehensive kit, designed for both beginners and experienced artists. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making your tattooing experience more comfortable. It weighs only 82 g and is incredibly easy to maneuver. The small size allows for precise control, perfect for intricate work. This machine is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. Its intuitive design minimizes the learning curve, allowing you to focus on your art. With a powerful 1200 mAh battery, it provides up to 6 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Say goodbye to interruptions mid-session. Everything you need is included, the pen, battery, 50 assorted needles, black ink, and all the necessary accessories. You're ready to start creating right away. It works with all standard cartridge needles, giving you the freedom to choose your preferred brands and needle types. Enjoy ultimate versatility. What we like. It's designed for ease of use, making it perfect for beginners. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need to start tattooing, at a great price. If you're just starting out and want a comprehensive yet affordable kit, this is the ideal option. What people say. One of my favorite pieces of equipment to use for permanent makeup. Absolutely awesome power and just as good as any other more expensive versions. Used a couple of times since purchase, small lightweight and has a great battery life. It's not too light not too heavy. Very versatile, yet efficient. Battery's great, it's detachable even better. It's slender but not too slender. Number 1. Mcore Mast Tour Pro Tattoo Pen. It's a wireless rotary tattoo pen designed for versatility and precision. It's perfect for lining, shading, and coloring, giving you complete control over your artistry. This innovative pen offers 7 adjustable stroke lengths, from 2.4 mm to 4.2 mm. Simply turn the knob to change the stroke on the fly, adapting to any tattoo style with ease. It was designed to meet the demands of professional tattoo artists. Experience the freedom and control of a cordless pen, ideal for lining, shading, and blending. This powerful motor provides exceptional power and durability. It glides effortlessly through skin, creating a balance between lines and shading, perfect for demanding techniques. The advanced direct drive system ensures smooth, precise, and quiet operation. It gently and smoothly transfers ink to the skin for a superior tattoo experience. It has been rigorously tested by our studio experts and trusted by over 2 million customers worldwide. It's a reliable and high-performing tool you can depend on. What we like. Its adjustable stroke length allows for versatility in different tattoo styles. The powerful motor ensures smooth operation and consistent results. If you're a professional artist looking for ultimate control and precision, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The machine itself is sturdy, solid, heavy. Runs super quiet with minimal vibration. And after several sessions, the battery hasn't run out on me once. After a 5-hour session, it still seemed to have enough juice to run for another hour. Having an adjustable stroke length was the selling point for me. At 4.2, I can push large mags or bold liners without issue. I never go below 2.7mm stroke, but that works great for fine line work or soft black and gray. The best thing about this machine? It is very quiet. The other best thing is that this package has an extra battery and a cord which gives you that confidence that you won't need to charge your machine during the day. No interruptions during your tattoo sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.